How to fix all text is missing from Windows. 1. Update all graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 2. Run a full malware scan using the recommended Avast internet security in this video guide. 3. Run DISM. Commands include dism/online/cleanup image/scan health dism/online/cleanup image/check health dism/online/cleanup image/restore health 4. Run system restore. 5. Remove and reinstall your antivirus. 7. Run auto repair in the Microsoft Store. Run get package loosersware object. $_install location like system apps for each apps package disable development mode register $_install location appxmanifest.xml command in PowerShell as admin. 8. Restart explorer.exe in task manager. Perform a factory reset.